Alright, so what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're in the beautiful city of Lodi. We are here for the Straight Up Dubs meet. As you guys can see right behind me, we got a big crowd of Volkswagens. And this show, it's a little bit of everything. You got the air-cooled and the water-cooled. We'll go ahead and start on this side right here, and then we'll make our way all the way to the front. Luckily, right now they're having the raffle, so there's not going to be any music playing, so I don't get copyright. Because if I get a couple strikes, they'll delete my account. So it's not because I don't want to get your car in the video. It's because sometimes music is playing in the background, and I try to keep my videos raw with no sounds or anything, because people kind of enjoy the video with the raw sound. So let's go ahead and get this video started. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button. But let's start walking. What?
Later, Oscar! Love you, my boy. Buddy.
Here we have a glove sign, a keychain, and a glove performance plate frame. Zero 57607.
The Sutton has more exposures on the road.
Oh, okay.
So he flies out the coast to Charville all the
okay.
time. So, like, the door can be. Yeah. Because I know Sutton. We've become friends. I've been restored. His grandpa's drill press. He does a lot of that with tools, man. He stores sort of into table saw, stuff like that. A lot of old woodworking stuff.
Yeah, mainly stuff. I mean, he's just really nice to get. So yeah, and it's weird that there's a market for it. It's like, but then you don't need down a whole rabbit hole for like. But
Cheers, brother.
Nice seeing you. Dennis, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right, I have
Good
a
memory.
2X shirt from Caper Syndicate. A yellow ticket, 338-525. 338-525. Zero 57863. Also from Hobby W, we have a license plate frame, a keychain, and a large t-shirt. It is a red ticket. 057927. 057927. Alright, also from Hobby W, a license plate frame, a European bug-in magazine. Second pack is a yellow ticket. It is 338161. 338161. Next one is a yellow ticket as well. 338466.
Anybody can do it, yes. The fondest memories of driving around in the back. That car was awesome. I love that car. That was
The last one is the red ticket. 057315. 057315.
He's the one that built the engine for Volkswagens. Oh, really? I was telling her when she started up this morning, I said, that sounds really good. It sounds,
No, it's too loud.
starts right up. Yeah, but it's
high pitched to me. It's idling high.
The revolution from the.
Yeah, my cousin came by and
Why
he
don't you
said,
fix it?
Dan's gonna fix it.
I don't work on Sundays.
Oh, you don't work on Sunday.
Dan's gonna come over and fix it for me. My cousin. Yeah, he was over and he goes,
He's gonna do
you
it.
met Dan, I think. You met
That's your guy.
That's what he said.
That's her. That's cousin. Is that Bev's son?
Yeah, the wraparound one. One of 8,095 cars.
Wow.
Remember Clint?
Younger than us? Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
This lady at work, she just bought one, a square back.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, she paid 18 for it. 18. Is it like
Alright, so I'm finally home. My 2-hour drive turned into 2.5 hours. There was a small car accident by Pleasanton, and it's the weekend. Everybody's trying to get back home, but I am glad to be here. I gotta go inside, take a shower, relax for a little bit, and then I gotta come back out here and unpack my car. I hope you guys had a lot of fun. It was such a great show. Thank you to everybody that helped put the show together. You guys did an amazing job, and I'll definitely be there next year. With that being said, if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do, so I can go ahead and bring you guys more content. And for the last thing is drop a comment down below, but I'll see you guys next time. Peace.